In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and videos to a Proposify proposal. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Proposify. In the results, click the official Proposify link to head to the site. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure address bar and the familiar branding so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, log in with your usual credentials. After you sign in, you'll land on the Documents tab. This is your home base for all proposals and documents. You'll see recent items, status indicators, and tools to organize your work. Next, locate the proposal you want to edit. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar and filters to narrow it down by title or status. When you find it, click directly on the proposal's name to open the document in the editor. Inside the editor, look to the right sidebar and click the Content tab. This is where Proposify stores reusable blocks you can drag and drop onto your page, like text, images, and videos. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on your content rather than formatting. To add an image, select the image block in the Content tab and drag it onto your page exactly where you want it to appear. With the block placed, click the plus Upload button to choose an image from your computer, or, if you already have assets in your library, drag one from the library straight onto the canvas. For best results, use clear, high-resolution JPEG or PNG files, and keep file sizes reasonable so your proposal loads quickly. After the image appears, you can reposition it, adjust its size with the on-canvas handles, and use the Properties panel to fine-tune alignment or spacing so it sits neatly with your text. To add a video, go back to the Content tab and drag the video block onto your page. With the block selected, look to the Video Properties panel on the right. Paste your video's share link from platforms like YouTube or Vidyard. Use the standard share URL rather than an embed code. Proposify handles the embedding for you. Make sure the video's privacy settings allow your recipients to view it, and consider using a link that points to the final version so you don't have to swap it later. After pasting, preview the block to confirm it loads and plays as expected. That's it. You've added images and videos to your Proposify proposal, keeping it visually engaging and easy for clients to review. Save your changes, and you're ready to share.